The standing dumbbell row to triceps kickback is an efficient compound exercise that targets your back and triceps in one move at the same time. However, if muscle growth is your goal, it's best to perform movements separately as the weight may be too light to effectively target your back. Here's how to do it correctly. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand with a neutral palms facing your thighs grip. Slightly bend your knees, hinge forward at the hips, and keep your back straight with your core engaged. Pull the dumbbells toward your torso, keeping your elbows close to your body and squeezing your shoulder blades together at the top. Once the dumbbells are at your torso, pause and extend your elbows straight back, fully straightening your arms to perform a triceps kickback. Keep your elbows stationary during the kickback with only your forearms moving. Squeeze your triceps at the top, then slowly bend your elbows to return the dumbbells to your torso. Lower the dumbbells back to the starting position in a controlled motion, keeping your back straight and core tight. Repeat the row and kickback sequence with smooth, controlled movements. Don't stop learning now. Click this video to master the next move with perfect form while avoiding the most common mistakes.